welcome in. You're listening to the daily version of the Korelin Economics Report. This program is being produced exclusively from my friends at Kitco. Have a very interesting day again today in the markets. Certainly on a positive note as compared to yesterday, as we're recording in the spot market. Gold is up about 23 bucks, 1802.40 on the ask side. Silver is up 17 cents, 39.82. Surprise, surprise, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is also up. It's up about $1.14 right now, but the market hasn't closed yet. What else is going on? The U.S. dollar is down 8 cents. Boy, I'll tell you, that's a great characterization when you talk about the U.S. dollar of this is really the best of the worst. I got Rick Ackerman with me. Rick is the editor of a great newsletter called Rick's Picks. Rick is very active on the internet. You ought to take a look at what he does, and you can do that by simply clicking on the banner on our website. Rick, what do you think is going on in the markets right now, precious metals specifically?
Trying to filter the noise here, Al, and on the December contract, I had an analysis out this morning that was looking for 1840.10 on the high side to put bulls back in charge. We've had a pretty nice rally, but we're still 17 points shy of that at today's top, 1814.30. So I see gold really is within a range. The good news is that they could have taken it down a little bit further, maybe 15, 20 points beneath this week's low, and didn't. So that's a positive, but I need to see gold reverse and get above some of these peaks that were made over the last couple of days.
You know, Rick, personally what I think is going on right now is people are obviously scared to death about what's going to come out of the situation in Greece. My humble opinion is that I think you're going to see a default there or close to it, and I think that basically capital is probably going to flow into what we called earlier the best of the worst, and that is the U.S. dollar, but then I think reality is going to set in, and I think gold is then going to be really off to the races. You think I'm nuts, or do you think that's an accurate assessment?
Well, it can't be bad for gold if you have traders diving out of various currencies, and I think it's been universally accepted that Greece is going to default, and the question is how quickly and in what way that spreads to probably first Italy, then Spain. And nobody knows how it's going to play out, so I think that the market is sort of in a holding pattern here. Go up on a given day or come down, mostly down, because I think that there's no one who expects a positive outcome from these possibly cascading defaults. So, you know, the bias for the stock markets is down, but it's easy to see them getting range-bound in a particular day or several days.
Yeah, well, I think what we have here is I think we've got the absolute perfect storm still in existence, getting stronger and stronger for the precious metals markets. Rick, thanks so much for your time, buddy.
Thank you, Al.